Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Once again, I am back with another interesting question today. So in the figure shown, we have a circle with center at point O. There are two tangents, PA and PB, and OA is the radius of this circle. It is given that angle OAB is equal to 20 degree. Then we need to find the value of angle X, that is angle APB. So let us start solving this question. So first of all, since PA is tangent to this circle, then this angle will be 90 degree. If this is 20 degree yellow angle, then the remaining angle, that means PAB, will be 90 minus 20. That is, we can get this angle as 70 degree. Now we know that if we have a circle and from an external point two tangents are drawn to the circle, then this is the point of contact, then this is equal to this. So both the tangents are equal from any external point. This is a theorem. So P is that external point, A is the point of contact, B is also point of contact. So PA is equal to PB. So if we look at triangle PAB, this is an isosceles triangle because PA is equal to PB. So this angle will be equal to this angle, that means angle PAB is equal to PBA, and we have already found angle PAB as 70 degree. So this angle will also be 70 degree. Now let us focus in triangle PAB. We know that one angle is 70 degree, the other one is 70 degree, and this is X. So we can write 70 degree plus 70 degree plus X is equal to 180 degree, angle sum property of a triangle. So this will be 140 degree plus X is equal to 180 degree. So X is 180 degree minus 140 degree, that is 40 degree. So our answer is the value of angle X is 40 degree, that is twice this angle. If you find this video useful, do share it with your friends and do not forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.